1 Minute Latvian, Lesson 10.
Sveiki! Mani sauc Arta. Šodien man iet ļoti labi. Kā tev iet, Mark?
Man iet ļoti labi. Paldies. I'm well, thank you. And what about you? You who are listening to this course, how are you?
Kā tev iet?
Hopefully your answer was...
Man iet ļoti labi. We're feeling great today because we've reached the end of our course. This is the final lesson in this series of 1 Minute Latvian, and we hope you found it useful.
In this final lesson, we're going to cover some phrases that people always want to know when learning a foreign language.
The clock is ticking. One last time.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Let's start with a phrase that you may well already know in Latvian. If you're out with your new Latvian-speaking friends enjoying a drink, you can say cheers. In Latvian, this is...
Priekā.
One more time.
Priekā.
Another useful phrase is happy birthday. Can you imagine how happy your Latvian-speaking friend would be if you wished him or her a happy birthday in Latvian? Listen to this phrase.
Daudz, laimes, dzimšanas, dienā.
That's quite a mouthful. Let's split it up and do it word by word.
Daudz, laimes, dzimšanas, dienā.
And let's repeat it all together.
Daudz, laimes, dzimšanas, dienā.
Okay, let's try perhaps an easier phrase here. The phrase for good luck. Let's listen to the Latvian version of good luck.
Veiksmi.
Listen again.
Veiksmi.
Let's try that one more time.
Veiksmi.
Another phrase which comes in useful at least once a year is Happy Christmas. In Latvian, you would say
Priecīgus Ziemassvētkus.
Let's split that up again. Happy
Priecīgus
Christmas.
Ziemassvētkus.
Try saying Happy Christmas one more time.
Priecīgus Ziemassvētkus.
And we're going to end the lesson and this series on a romantic note. If your trip to Latvia has gone very well, then you may have to use this phrase with someone.
Es tevi mīlu.
This phrase means I love you. Try it again.
Es tevi mīlu.
Don't forget you need to sound romantic.
Es tevi mīlu.
Time's up for this lesson and indeed for this course. It's been a pleasure teaching you in these 10 lessons of 1 Minute Latvian.
Here at Coffee Break Languages, we hope you've enjoyed the lessons. We've certainly enjoyed teaching you.
If you'd like to try your hand at another language, visit our website at oneminute.languages.com. For now, we'd like to say thank you for staying with us right to the final programme and one last time, paldies un uz redzēšanos.
Paldies un uz redzēšanos.
You have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.